Okay, so it's been almost a week since that last video. So, first off, I wanted to mention some of the people who have left comments. Mostly the people who have said, "Hey, you got your mask, and great, and we less than about a week and a half. I'm still waiting for mine. It's 6 months, 7 months out." I don't know what to say about that, and I put one for one of the commenters. I mean, I'm an attorney, but the only thing I can think of is, hey, they have an email, sales at whatever it is. Give that a try. Say, hey, here's my order number. I'd like to know what the status of that is. Call your credit card. See if you can reverse the charge. Say, hey, you know what? I haven't got it. It's been 6 months. Call up the local news reporters and say, hey, Fox, Eyewitness, Eyeball, whatever. Maybe they might embarrass them to start shipping stuff out. Or maybe, small claims court, other government agencies, consumer protection agencies. I don't know what to say. I honestly don't. I mean, I got the email a day or two later on Thanksgiving. I put the order in, and I got it. A little over a week. I'm sorry. I don't know. What can I say? Anyway, a couple of things. I did remember, watch the video, and it was the lack of shaving. That's the thing that I'd forgotten. So now, this, of course, is off the face, so it's not exactly pressing on it as though the cloth one is. So I'm not getting that irritation. So yeah, this is me not shaving for almost about a week and a half now. Yeah, because I'm being lazy. The other thing I had described when I first took it out was there was a smell. And it wasn't like really terrible, but it was definitely off-putting. After I had made that video, I did a little warm water rinse, and that reduced it a little bit. But over time, it's gone. I mean, right now, there's no. I mean, it does have a smell, but it's the same smell as the outside. It's whatever the material is, whatever this is, plastic or whatever. So yeah, it's the same smell in here, and it's about the same intensity. So whatever the manufacturing odors or whatever the material they had to manufacture it, it's faded over time. The other thing that happened today, if you notice the little band, it broke. And it wasn't as though I was like, oh man, pull this up. This was just on my face, and all of a sudden, bing! What the hell? So, not even a week, and the thing breaks. Now, thankfully, I had an extra. I mean, there was originally 4 of these that came with it, so now I don't know if that would be considered a warrantyable feature or not. If I send them an email, hey, this thing broke. Oh, well, yeah, we can have replacements for you for $7.99 a pack. I don't know. So that's something that is concerning. Anyway, so as I mentioned originally, let's just do this. You put this on, and the big test, of course, was there anything going on here? Was there any fogging of the glasses? I had one instance, and I'm going to say there was extenuating circumstances. I'm currently in Flagstaff. It's 10 bleeping degrees here in Flagstaff. So I am noticing that when this is on, you get some condensation that's dripping down. Okay. And because the air part is right here, when you got a jacket and a scarf and all this other stuff, and this is kind of blocked off. I mean, I realized that. I did see some fogging over here, and I'm like, it's also hard to breathe. I don't know. I mean, obviously, you've got to bundle up, so I don't know exactly how that's to be fixed, so to speak. So that's there. The other thing I've noticed, you've seen the one that I have, if you really want me to show it again, when I bought that on Amazon, that was an N95 mask. I put that in specifically in N95, And this is, I think when I was looking at it, it was a sports mask. You're supposed to be using it while you're jogging. Yeah, me jogging. You're supposed to be doing it, exercising, and all this other stuff. That is not this. When this is going here, you have a specific intake and outtake, and it doesn't go anymore, because sometimes when I'm doing stuff, it feels like a scuba mask, to be quite frank, and set at, the regulator is on half. Some of you might know what that means. So I don't know what the term would be called. If it's, I'm in computers, the network bandwidth throughput, whatever the term for this would be. I mean, I could probably look that up. But basically, there is only a amount of air coming in and out at a specific rate. And if you're jogging or if you're exercising, I don't think this is it for you. Okay? Because it does notice that it gets kind of claustrophobic when you're trying to, doing a little, me exercising. Today, I was moving a whole lot of equipment, getting a little exercise, which I'm sure I know I need, but it's difficult to breathe. So, anyway, so far, those are the comments I've had about this. Still haven't thought of it, this is terrible, get rid of it. I mean, it's still pretty nice. In fact, someone actually asked about, where'd you get that? I told them, Leaf Healthcare. I'm going to look that up. So, hey, if you want to send me some business cards so I can say, hey, yeah, here's the... I don't mind giving them out. I mean, it's not a terrible mask. It's a nice design. And have not gotten any word about the subscription or how to change the filter when it finally, after 30 days or whatever. No instructions on that. Would be nice if I get that someday. Anyway, that's pretty much all, and I'm hoping that helps. And I do hope those of you who have bought it and are still waiting I honestly do hope that you are able to get yours. I don't know how to help that. Try and find their store, I guess, and shake your fist. I don't know. Anyway, thank you very much for your time, and hope you have a great night.